Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and unboxings. Today, we are taking a look at the Honor Watch GS Pro smartwatch. This rugged and durable smartwatch is designed for the urban adventurer and the outdoorsman at heart. It is packed with features that will keep you connected, on track, and motivated during all of your adventures. The Honor Watch GS Pro is built to survive even the toughest environments, with 14 different mil STD810G tests, including temperature, humidity, altitude resistance, salt spray, sand resistance, and humidity resistance. This means you can take it with you on any adventure, without worrying about damage. With a 25-day battery life, even with outdoor GPS mode on, you can explore the wild without worrying about running out of battery. The high-precision built-in dual satellite navigation systems enable route back to help track your way back, even when taking the road less traveled. If you're into skiing, the multi-skiing modes track detailed data including the number of runs, distance, trail time, maximum speed, maximum steepness, vertical ascent and descent, altitude, heart rate, and calories burned. This smartwatch also offers over 100 workout modes, ensuring that there is something for every type of athlete. In terms of health, the Honor Watch GS Pro has everything you need for a comprehensive view of your health, from 24/7 heart rate monitoring, all-night sleep tracking, to even SpO2 monitors for blood oxygen level measurement. And that's not all. The built-in speaker and microphone allow you to answer calls even when you're cycling or climbing, and you can store up to 500 songs right on your wrist for your most exhilarating life experiences. So, if you're an adventurer at heart, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who just loves cutting-edge technology, the Honor Watch GS Pro is the perfect companion for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your adventures with this incredible smartwatch. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the Honor Watch GS Pro today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.